Borderless 1.0. And this is our first ever event. We're showcasing the people that we started training. We got a grant from our grant foundation, and that was what enabled us to set up a hub, furnish it, suitable environment where everybody can and start learning. So we got that because in June we started training people remotely. So we have students from Bayelsa, we have students from Lagos, we have students from, I think another person is in Owerri, then some persons are in Port Harcourt. So we'll have students from mostly from South and Southwest. We have people who come in who didn't even know how to set up a Linux environment. And now they are really good front-end people. We put them into groups such that and giving them projects to build on. Apart from also learning to be good front-end developers and back-end developers, we're also teaching people on how to become UI UX designers. What we try to do was make sure we have back-end developers, front-end, UI, and then product managers. So these 4 aspects is important for building any product, and we've made a lot of progress. And one of the greatest things that I'm really grateful for is that students who come in not knowing anything at all about codes, anything at all about tech, just giving them the time to start with the investment of knowledge, and they're doing so well, like way better than if they were just left to themselves. So that's one of the stories about Borderless. When we first started, I spoke to Primidak about it, and actually Primidak talked to me about it. I've spoken to him before. I said, what do we have? We have our domain name, right? We have some tech infrastructures. We have the knowledge. We can supply data, internet data. That's what I mean. We can create a subdomain name and have Borderless, under CryptoSmart now and all that stuff. And I said, fine. If we have all of this, let's just start. And that was exactly what we did. So we started trainings. We put out the word out there, register, come in, do your registrations and all. And we had a meeting with all the intending participants. And we started classes. I used Google Meet to do the scheduling and everything. Basically, we just started remotely. That was all we had. And I kept writing to Agrand and letting them know that, okay, we started already. As far as I was concerned, whether or not we had a grant, I was going to do this because it was something that was important. Building Clip, the first project I ever built, Clip. Developers, show me Pepe. Oh Jesus! So, but I got to understand that if we have devs to work with, it will be easier for founders to build and cheaper, because if we were to start employing the Indians, the Asians, the Chinese, the price is something else, and sometimes a lot of founders are bootstrapping. Thank God, I'm grateful that we got funding to at least set up the hub. I'm really grateful for that, and let's build, like our own Silicon Valley in Nigeria. It's something that can work.